Hi, my name's Bud Warren, Bud's Guide Service and Charters, here in Gold Beach, Oregon on the southern Oregon coast. We're here on the Elk River today. Fall Chinook season is just coming to an end, and as soon as we get some rain, we'll be up fishing the winter Chinook and Steelhead on the Elk and Sixes River. Come on up and let's go fishing. From 4th of July till late October, Lexus Landing has a D'Angelo derby. Biggest fish wins a skin mount worth over $1,000. This year I caught a 50-pounder, and so far it's leading the derby. There's only a couple days left, and I'll have that one in the bag. From April till about October, if the ocean permits, we have phenomenal bottom fishing here. 30-pound lingcod are very common. The black snapper come to the top of the water, and you can load a cooler in an hour and a half. It's unreal. You gotta come up here and go fishing. Here we are on the Elk River in southern Oregon. You're looking at the ocean in the beautiful town of Gold Beach. During the summer, the arches in the bridge light up, and it's really beautiful. It's a great place. You got to come and see it. We have our spring Chinook run.